Hey everybody, how's it going? So I have ordered something and today just received this stuff. So here it is. And so without further ado, let's get started. So here's the packaging. Let's open it. So what's inside the packaging is the box. Open it. Oh, bubble wrap. Nothing inside. So here's the thing I've ordered last time. So finally I already received it. Alright, so I'm going to show you one by one. So this is a tempered glass for the iPhone 5, 5C, 5S and as well as the iPhone SE 2016. So 4 of them are fit well. So this is the tempered glass, white color with white at the side, just like this, but this one is a black color. A Samsung Galaxy A10 or the A10s with anti-Blu-ray matte tempered glass, also black at the side. iPhone 5, like I said just now, 5, 5C, 5S and SE 2016 will fit this tempered glass, but this one is a matte anti-Blu-ray with black at the side. Headphone, the iPhone 5s, I'm going to put this sticker at the back. So this one will protect your back metal. I'm going to open it one by one to show you what's inside. Wow! Finally, just received a white side for my Project Phone 5s. Wow, it's very nice. The second one is the A10 or A10s. Let's see. Wow. Wow, finally. My most favorite tempered glass ever on any phone. The iPhone 5 with matte edition. Yeah. Wow, the packaging is really slim, as you can see. Wow, so nice. So here's the what I ordered last time, and this is what I received. All of them are correct. So the going to install is the on the iPhone 5C. This is my 5C, blue color with a case green color. So this is my old tempered glass. As you can see, it's a white color at the side. It's clear, non-matte edition, also no Blu-ray. I'm going to convert it to black color with matte Blu-ray edition. Let's open the case. So this is the before installing and the old tempered glass as well. I'm going to say goodbye on this nice old tempered glass. So already been turned on, now in Apple logo. Already reached the home screen. Now let's remove the old tempered glass. I'm going to say goodbye, but I won't throw away. I will keep it forever as a memory. Yeah, finally. So this is the original color, black color, and with white color customized. So I'm going to install this one to this 5C. Alright, so my iPhone 5C has been installed the matte anti-Blu-ray tempered glass. So yeah, no bubble at all finally. It looks very nice and cool. No bubble at all. Wow, I'm so happy with it. So another 3 tempered glass, including this back protection, I won't install it now because my project phone, the 5S one and the Samsung Galaxy A10 is not with me. Next video, installing on the device. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this thing that I got and already been installed on my PC in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.